Hi, in this short tutorial we will talk about what is a NAICS code and why is it important to note. One way to determine what industry classification your company resides in is to simply go to the United States Census Bureau, where they provide a list of all industry classifications. What is the NAICS code? Well, according to the Census Bureau, the NAICS code stands for the North American Industry Classification System. It is a standard used by federal statistical agencies in classifying business establishments for the purpose of collecting, analyzing, and publishing statistical data related to the U.S. business economy. One way to determine your company or your industry's classification code is using the United States Census Bureau, which provides you a list of industry classifications. Depending on the company and the industry in which it operates, you can begin to drill down which industry classification code to use. For example, if you click on Arts and Entertainment, it'll provide you a list of the sectors in which arts and entertainment breaks down into theater companies to dance companies to spectator sports and so on. There is another way in which you can find out which industry your company operates by going to the Regis Library, Research Guides, and selecting the Business Research Guide. Here I will recommend using Mergent Online. In Mergent Online, you are able to find information about companies, financial information, as well as the industry classification code in which it operates. So for example, you can use a ticker symbol, or you can also use the company name. For example, La-Z-Boy. This is a publicly traded company which gives you information about its main headquarters, how many employees, and the industry classification code. Each one of these profiles is similar in which you'll be able to use this to find out the NAICS code for your company. Here you'll see that it is 337121. You're able to copy this information and be able to expand your search in another database the Regis Library subscribes to under the Industries tab and IBISWorld. IBISWorld provides industry-wide reports in which then you'll be able to find information about your industry, trends, market forecasts, its competitive landscape, and key statistics. It is a great tool to use in order to really expand your search on your company and the industry in which it operates. I hope this helps.